Hello everyone, my name is Sabrina Graham, also known as Mrs. Perfect Credit, and I want to talk to you about having good credit. How many of you have good credit out there? I had good credit too, until I realized it was just good enough credit. It was good enough to get a high interest credit card. It was good enough to get a high risk mortgage loan. It was just good enough credit. But when I realized I was in jeopardy of losing my house because of that high risk loan that I had, I knew I had to move from good credit to excellent credit. And I worked very hard and I made it all the way to a perfect credit score. And once I hit that, oh my God, so many things changed for me. I've been getting 0% APR. Now I can do investment in real estate. And I used to hear, no, you can't invest because of my good credit. And so now I'm a real estate investor as well. I've learned how to leverage my credit to start businesses. And so I am ready to now teach you. So I'm inviting you to Master Your Credit Bootcamp. It's 3 days and I am going deep into helping you learn more about your credit and helping you to move from good credit to excellent credit. So let's stop allowing good credit, or as I call it, good enough credit, to hold us back from financial freedom. Let's move forward, let's get our credit together, and let's start building wealth. I'll see you there. Oh, and I forgot to tell you, it's free. And if you're really serious about this and you want to make some moves this year, I want you to upgrade to my VIP. You're gonna get the recordings, and you'll also get a strategic credit strategy session, so we can go even deeper into your goals, so I can help you come up with a plan to achieve the goals. Plus, I'll be offering some other things as well. All right, I'll see you there. Don't hesitate. Click the button. Register today.